Hello, my name is Nelson Yang, and I am the Senior Advisor for the International Patent Business Solutions Group here at the United States Patent and Trademark Office. I'm very pleased to be presenting here, and I would like to thank everyone whose hard work and planning made this event possible. Specifically, I would like to thank the Korean Intellectual Property Office and the Korea Institute of Patent Information, specifically for all of their hard work planning and coordinating this successful event. Today, I'm pleased to present on the utilization of artificial intelligence for patents at the United States Patent and Trademark Office. So before I really go into much detail, I would first like to start off with first highlighting the 2018-2022 USPTO Strategic Plan. In this strategic plan, one of the goals stated is to optimize development and delivery of information technology tools, including artificial intelligence and machine learning, for internal users of patent systems to ensure that they have the tools that they need for a thorough search and examination. This goal drives much of our evaluations and efforts into AI. We have also provided a landing page that provides information regarding all the various AI efforts and resources here at the USPTO. At this page, viewers can find information about the current USPTO guidance and training materials on patent subject matter eligibility, and also disclosure of computer-implemented inventions that are relevant to AI. Users can also learn more about the various USPTO engagement efforts on AI, and also get more information on various USPTO AI initiatives, such as the USPTO AI patent datasets. Also, when we actually talk about AI, we also want to follow the Administrative Conference of the United States statement on governmental agency use of AI. This statement actually identifies issues that all US agencies should consider when adopting or modifying AI systems. As part of our efforts on AI, the USPTO has been focusing on patent search and patent classification. For patent search, we have developed an AI search prototype tool and are exploring image search, while in patent classification, we are actually looking at full classification of cooperative patent classification symbols, as well as developing indicators for claimed subject matter. Our vision for the AI patent search prototype is focusing on assisting the examiner in retrieving all potentially relevant prior art references for review at the earliest stage of prosecution. In doing so, we will be able to better enhance patent quality through increased search effectiveness. As part of our AI patent search prototype, we recently released a functionality that we called More Like This document in our PE2E search tool. This functionality retrieves most similar documents based on documents that a user has selected, and the results can include US patents, pre-grant publications, and also patent documents from 61 different foreign countries that have been loaded into our search tool. For more information, we also released the official Gazette notice entitled New PE2E Search Tool Using AI Search Features Using MLTD. This was released on January 11th, 2022, and it talks a lot more about the recent prototype. As part of our efforts in AI patent search, we plan to continue assessing and monitoring value of AI. This includes incorporating feedback from our examiners and other users to further mature the AI search systems and to also develop further AI search capabilities. We also want to continue to ensure we maintain our public communication and also future accessibility regarding our AI efforts here at the USPTO. So the next AI effort I would really want to talk about is the work we've been doing in patent classification. Our vision here is really to develop an auto classification system able to generate CPC data to meet not just our internal needs, but also our internal obligation, our international obligations for our classifications. The auto classification efforts here at the USPTO have focused on full classification of patent documents and also on identification of symbols that are associated with claims, which we call C-stars. In the way we evaluate the quality of the auto classification tool, we focus on 3 key criteria. These include correctness, and by that I mean, are the appropriate symbols applied to an application? The second is completeness, whether all the appropriate symbols have been applied to an application. And third, consistency, whether applications that are covering the same subject matter will also have the same classification symbols applied to them. In doing so, we see opportunities for increasing efficiencies in our business processes and operations while further reducing costs associated with classification. Since we began our efforts on auto classification, we have actually achieved some key milestones. Starting in December of 2020, we actually began using auto C-stars for a subset of new utility patent filings. This was then further expanded to all utility patent applications recently in March of 2022. We are now currently performing an analysis and assessment of the auto classification tool for assigning the full classification picture to utility patent applications, which is an exciting new step. While the USPTO has been evaluating ways we can further leverage AI in patent practice and examination, we also recognize that this patent data can also be used in state-of-the-art AI research. More specifically, advances that we make in AI research can also foster efficiencies in patent examination, while data from patent examination can help fuel future advances in AI research. And one of the ways I kind of want to point this out is actually the pile. There's actually a data set called USPTO backgrounds, which is really just a set of background sections from patents granted by the USPTO. This data set was actually included in the pile, a massive text corpus created by Eleuther AI for large-scale language modeling efforts. In addition, here at the USPTO, we also hold competitions for the public to train their models on novel semantic similarity datasets to extract relevant information by matching key phrases in patent documents to each other. By determining the semantic similarity between phrases, we are able to identify critically important pieces during the patent search and examination process to determine if an invention has been described before, but maybe in a slightly different way. Shown here is a leaderboard highlighting how well different teams have been doing in the competition. Again, I hope this information was helpful for you, and I definitely want to thank you for all your time.